Aloha. This is part 5 in the Get Organized series. And this is all about recycling things that you're going to throw away or that possibly your neighbors threw away, or getting free projects that are on the side of the road. Now these parts here, the ones with the plastic, are from my new dryer. They were holding the drum from moving. There's a bracket, I'm not sure where it's from. And then these springs are from a basketball hoop that got thrown away. That's my bike capsule. Now I always disassemble everything that I throw away. To give you an idea of some of the projects, this is my hover chair. It's front wheel powered by my hoverboard. This started out as one of those big wheels, big green machine or something like that I turned into a hoverboard powered vehicle. This over here started out as a 800-pound gorilla utility cart that I turned into a jet ski stand. As you can see, I have storage area between my storage. I cut a 3/4 inch piece of plywood to make a little roof over it. Inside my storage container, I built this shelf to hold larger things. As you can see, this is labeled as well. But you can find a lot of projects on the side of the road. I actually used my hoverboard powered hover chair with a little trailer hitch on the back. I hooked it up to my dolly here, and somebody had thrown away an oven, and I needed an oven for powder coating, and usually the stove portion is what goes bad. So I hauled it back to my house with that and that. No problems. Anyways, it's all about recycling for parts that are special and using them for future projects. And then again, there's all the free projects you can find sitting on the side of the road. Aloha. And there will be everything listed in the description. Stay safe.